Hey there and welcome to Cars with Nash. Today Nash and I are going to show you how to change the air filter in a C350 Mercedes. This is a 2012 model, but it's going to apply to a lot of V6 Mercedes that just use a single air filter. They have two different kinds, so before you order an air filter, make sure you confirm whether you have a dual snorkel or a single snorkel air filter. This car is equipped with the single, and this is the preferred brand of filter, and there is your part number if you've got single snorkel like us. Now we'll put the hood fully up, so once it goes to the top of the shocks naturally, you just gotta give it a gentle little push and it'll go right up, so you have lots of room and lots of light to work with. Okay, so we have to remove this engine cover. I like to start with this clip back here and that one, and then just pull up the front. See, it's got a clip here, and those across the back. And now we just need to access these bolts. There's just two of them. We just need to get those off, and then this will kind of swing up and we can remove these three screws. We could actually get to these two anyways, but just to get to this third one we need to have this come up. Okay, so it's an E10 for these two bolts here. Okay, and then we should be able to lift this whole thing up a little bit. There we go. There is a clip down there. And then these are T25s, these three here. So we'll start with the hardest one back here. Yeah, it stays in the housing there, so that's nice. Okay, so now you just let this back half sort of flop. It clips into the bottom there. Okay, push down and then pull up. And that comes right out just like that. There we go. Whoa! So it was a little dirty. Definitely due for replacement. Okay guys, we're going to clean everything up here before we put the new filter in. So we'll just wipe this all out and everything off camera. Okay guys, we got everything cleaned up. We're just going to set the new filter in. And just make sure that the seal's all the way down all around, that it's not like that. Okay, and then it has these things, and they kind of push down on top of these little blocks here and latch in behind them. We'll pull this up again. See, that has like a little rubber thing there that kind of clips down in there, so you just have to force it up a little and that comes out of there. And these screws, you want them all back, so you got to kind of angle it in at the bottom. If it won't go in at the top, it means it's not in at the bottom, plain and simple. So just keep fiddling until you get it. Okay, I'm just going to get the middle screw started because there is a lot of tension on it. So I'll just look around and make sure everything's together, and I can actually feel down there and make sure. And I got to pull it back up to get to this one. There we go. And you don't have to overdo it, just go down till they kind of stop and then you stop. I'm just rechecking them all now that I have it all lined up. Okay, and now shove it down there for a final time, and then you just want to make sure that this is all clipped together properly over here. There we go. Okay, so we're just going to put the E10s back in. Just hold that one in so you don't drop it down into nowhere. Those don't have to be super tight, they're just in rubber. There we go, and then this always likes to fall off, so just make sure it's clipped into place before you close your hood. So again, I like to just line up at the back corner here first and get that clipped in, and then I know the front ones are lined up and I can just push down everywhere and make sure it's locked in. And that's all there is to changing your engine air filter in your Mercedes 350. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day.